How much does GetResponse cost? This is Matt, and in this video I'll go through the GetResponse pricing. As you can see, I'm here on the pricing page right here at the top. This is the main pricing page for GetResponse. But first of all, I do have a link, an affiliate link in the video description just below this video. Click my link and you can get this free trial. So they're running an offer right now. With my link, you can get 14 days free trial. There's no credit card required. You can upgrade whenever you're ready if you want to, but you don't have to. Cancel at any time, completely risk-free. So it's always good to actually test drive these platforms, see if it is the right tool for you. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. You don't know until you try. So pricing, let's do the pricing. So left to right, we have starter at £10.66 per month. Now, I'm here in the UK, so these prices are in pounds, and I can't switch them over to dollars. I normally work in dollars, but it's about $15 per month. So we've got starter at $15, then we've got marketer at $36 per month, and $41 per month for creator. And you can see that these, obviously what they do and the features scale up as you move up in price point here. So with starter, the entry-level package, unlimited monthly email sends, which they all have, AI-powered content generators, you get a welcome email series, one custom automation workflow, the landing page builder, sign-up forms and pop-ups, very important, and a free custom domain with the early plan. And you can see that there's a little bit of a kind of caveat there as well. So marketer, you're getting essentially everything in starter, but you're getting a lot more as far as advanced automation, segmentation, you get audience segmentation even. You're getting a little bit more with the automation workflows. In fact, they're unlimited here, as you can see right there. You also get the landing page builder, the sign-up forms and pop-ups, advanced audience segmentation, like I mentioned, abandoned cart recovery, very useful for a lot of people. So if you're a larger entrepreneur running a bigger company, this might be for you. Creator, everything you need to create, market and monetize your knowledge, as GetResponse say here. You also get in the unlimited monthly email sends. Not going to read out everything here, there's a lot of stuff. But again, things like sales funnels, you are getting limited automation workflows, which the marketeer plan also has. You can have a course, like I say, you can create courses and have up to 500 students. There's a lot more going on here. As you scroll down, they don't actually, as far as I can see, you can actually compare. So it's always good. I click that button there for compare. So compare plans and features. So we can see the different plans here, starter, marketer and creator. It's always good on these pricing pages where you can actually see what you do get and in some cases what you don't get. And it's always good to see it in a table. You can see it side by side. So this can be useful. There's a lot of information here, guys. You can scroll through, and if there's a specific feature that you want, you can make sure that you have it, and you'll know which plan actually has that, or in some cases doesn't have that. So really useful. I'll just X out of that. So there's some freaking ask questions and stuff at the bottom. If you want some more information, if that is for you. Now, a couple of important things here. All the prices I showed you on the screen here are in the yearly plan. So you're saving 18% there. You can pay month to month, but you aren't going to get the savings. So you see the prices do go up somewhat on a month to month, but you're just not locked into paying everything up front. So just thought I'd mention that, full disclosure. And you can see the savings here. For instance, this one is paid annually and you're saving up to 110 per year. Also important is list size. So these prices here on the screen are for a list size of 1,000. So that is 1,000 subscribers. As you scale that up, we've got 2,500, you see the prices increase. 5,000, again, they've increased, and 10,000. So this slide are very important. You always get this on these kind of email marketing tools on the pricing pages where you can actually scale this around depending on your list size. So for instance, if you had a list of 10,000 subscribers on a different email marketing platform and you were looking to move your list over, you can export the CSV from that tool and bring it over to GetResponse even, and you will be able to add it in, but obviously you're paying more for every subscriber. So you see how this scales up as you increase your list size, 5,000, maybe you've got a list of 5,000. But the important thing is you can start out at 1,000. So if you have a list of 0, you can move your app and it'll take you, well, it might take you a while, hopefully it doesn't, but you will eventually scale up to 1,000, and then for the next one you'll have to pay a bit more when you get to 2,500. So that's how it works. It scales up. You obviously want your list to increase because then you can sell people things on your list. So, you know, you should be so lucky to have 10,000. Yes, you're paying more, but it's a good list size and it should be very lucrative for you. So just so I point that out with full disclosure, that was GetResponse pricing. Hopefully this video has been useful. Check out my link, give it a test drive. If it's not the right platform for you, absolutely fine. No worries, you can cancel at any time. You don't even need to use your credit card, any billing or banking information to sign up. Check it out. If you found this video useful, drop the video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.